The current constitution of Poland was founded on the 2nd of April 1997. Formerly known as the Constitution of the Republic of Poland. It replaced the small constitution of 1992, the last amended version of the Constitution of the Polish People's Republic, known from December 1989 as the Constitution of the Republic of Poland. It was adopted by the National Assembly of Poland on the 2nd of April 1997. Approved by a national referendum on the 25th of May 1997. Promulgated by the President of the Republic on the 16th of July 1997. And came into effect on the 17th of October 1997. Poland has had numerous previous constitutional acts. Historically, the most significant is the Constitution of the 3rd of May 1791. The 5 years after 1992 was spent in dialogue about the new character of Poland. The nation had changed significantly since 1952 when the Constitution of the Polish People's Republic was instituted. A new consensus was needed on how to acknowledge the awkward parts of Polish history. The transformation from a one-party system into a multi-party one and from socialism towards a free market economic system, and the rise of pluralism alongside Poland's historically Roman Catholic culture. The attitude toward the past was articulated in the preamble, in which the citizens of Poland established a republic, recalling the best traditions of the First and the Second Republic, obliged to bequeath to future generations all that is valuable from our over 1,000 years heritage, mindful of the bitter experiences of the times when fundamental freedoms and human rights were violated in our homeland. Quote. Many articles were written explicitly to rectify the wrongs of previous governments. Article 21 protects the rights of ownership and inheritance. But the post-World War II PKWN decreed and implemented land reform was not invalidated. Article 23 thus established the family farm as the basis of the agricultural economy. Article 74 requires public officials to pursue ecologically sound public policy. Articles 39 and 40 prohibit the practices of forced medical experimentation, forbidding torture and corporal punishment, while Articles 50 and 59 acknowledge the inviolability of the home, the right to form trade unions, and to strike. Those involved in drafting the document were not interested in creating a de facto Catholic Poland. That said, nods were given in the direction of the Church, to the effect of protecting common morality. For example, in Article 18, marriage is granted the protection of the state, and in Article 53, freedom of religion, religious education, and religious upbringing are protected. The preamble emphasizes freedom of religion or disbelief. We, the Polish nation, all citizens of the Republic, both those who believe in God as the source of truth, justice, good and beauty, as well as those not sharing such faith but respecting those universal values as arising from other sources. Article 25 provides further protection, that public officials shall be impartial in matters of personal conviction, whether religious or philosophical, or in relation to outlooks on life, and shall ensure their freedom of expression within public life. Other aspects include the affirmation of the political equality of man and woman in Article 32, and the affirmation of freedom of ethnic minorities to advance and develop their culture. In Article 35, having regard for the existence and future of our homeland, which recovered, in 1989, the possibility of a sovereign and democratic determination of its fate. We, the Polish nation, all citizens of the Republic, both those who believe in God as the source of truth, justice, good and beauty, as well as those not sharing such faith but respecting those universal values as arising from other sources, equal in rights and obligations towards the common good Poland, beholden to our ancestors for their labors, their struggle for independence achieved at great sacrifice, for our culture rooted in the Christian heritage of the nation and in universal human values, recalling the best traditions of the First and the Second Republic, obliged to bequeath to future generations all that is valuable from our over 1,000 years heritage, bound in community with our compatriots dispersed throughout the world, aware of the need for cooperation with all countries for the good of the human family. mindful of the bitter experiences of the times when fundamental freedoms and human rights were violated in our homeland, desiring to guarantee the rights of the citizens for all time, and to ensure diligence and efficiency in the work of public bodies. Recognizing our responsibility before God or our own consciences, hereby establish this Constitution of the Republic of Poland as the basic law for the state, based on respect for freedom and justice, cooperation between the public powers, social dialogue, as well as on the principle of subsidiarity in the strengthening the powers of citizens and their communities. We call upon all